You've had a stressful conversation with your colleague or with your dealer, any such thing, and if you just want to calm down immediately, just breathe correctly. It takes 5 minutes of breathing correctly. If your exhalation is longer than how much you inhale, doesn't matter whether you inhale for 2 seconds or 4 seconds, just inhale slowly. If you have to do 3 counts, and breathe out. You could be someone who's breathing 2 and exhaling 4. If you just do this for 5 minutes, your body automatically slows down. Make sure you're not breathing from your mouth. You're breathing through your nose. You're breathing from your abdomen. And you just do this for a couple of minutes. And what it does is it activates what's called the vagus nerve in the body, which is your nerve that causes relaxation. And immediately you will feel that heart rate come down. All the stimulants must be avoided, including caffeine. Now, all of us, me included, and I love my caffeine and I will have my shot of coffee in the morning, but the half-life, which means the time that the caffeine lies in your body, is for 8 hours. So if you sleep, say, at midnight, your last cup of coffee should be at 4 o'clock, because you don't want that caffeine activation. Remember, caffeine also makes you a little jittery after a few cups, and that also activates the stress mechanism in the body. So you don't want it constantly elevated. People tell me, oh doc, we're having 2 drinks because it helps us sleep. Alcohol does not help you sleep. Alcohol sedates you. Sedation is very different from sleeping. What happens is we've got many stages of sleep called REM, non-REM. The deep quality REM sleep gets completely disrupted when you're having alcohol, especially very close to bedtime. So if you must drink and you find that you're de-stressing, do it. But do it much earlier in the evening, not like, a lot of people drink even after food. So that's a problem. The stimulants have to be taken care of.